Hi, at last I've managed to convert my Swift KonTiki 2016 Swift KonTiki 649. I've managed to convert it so that I can have mains water when I'm on a super pitch, and also when I pull away from the super pitch I will always have a full tank of water, because it fills the tank as a priority, but also gives me water at the taps, but not much pressure while it's filling the tank. As soon as the tank's full, the pressure at all the taps is brilliant. My gauge is telling me at some stages we get 2 bar, but mainly the pressure when everybody's doing the evening meals, which they are now, pressure's down to 1.5 bar. But the pump on the van pumps at 3 bar, so as long as I keep down below that, fine. And once I'm on a campsite where there's mains water, we ain't got to worry about the 6 people having a shower and running out of water, because it's on mains pressure. Will always be there. The only problem is we now need to buy an Aldi Flow, which gives you instant hot water all the time. Marvellous piece of kit, but gone up from £800 2 or 3 years ago to now 1,200, so a bit too expensive. There'll be more about this. I'll do a bit of a video to show people, but if they then subscribe, I'll send you a parts list to do it yourself. Okay, thank you. See you soon.